What's up, online shoppers? I bought myself a Blackstone Griddle and I forgot that I didn't have anything to put it on, and I'm tired of resting it on my little coffee table here and on the sawhorse, although I do use it on the back of my truck sometimes. I bought myself this really great stand that works for the 17 up to the 22-inch Blackstone Griddle. It folds, and I think this is going to solve all my problems. So let's open it up and put it together. Materials wise, this is made of powder coated stainless steel, and it has a removable side shelf, which is also pretty cool. And I think it's going to be just unfold and take it out of the box. So let's see. Ooh, it is. Okay. Now, something else that's kind of cool about this is it has adjustable legs, and look at this. Oh, it just unfolds. No assembly required. Now you can hear it click into place, which is really good. You know that the legs have locked. This isn't going to be something that's unstable and rickety. It's going to have a really nice, good, solid contact with the ground, and you're going to feel comfortable putting your Blackstone on top of this. Here's our instruction manual, but it doesn't look like there is a lot of assembly required. And here are the extra screws and the removable side shelf. The shelf is going to go on pretty easy. It's just got these little keyholes, so there'll be a screw that it just slides onto, which is really nice because it is going to come on and off pretty easy. They also give you some extra screws just in case you need to make any repairs, or in the off chance that it might be missing one. One of the cool things about this is that it will collapse down really nicely for storage. These legs here are adjustable, and when it's down this short, it's going to fold in on top of each other and be a nice compact size for travel. Take this in your RV, if you take it in your trailer. Great for throwing in the back of your truck so that you always have a place to use your Blackstone Griddle, going to the beach, going on a picnic, ball tournament, tailgating in a parking lot somewhere. This is going to work really well for that. So this little knob just gets undone like that. I'm going to give you a close-up of one of the legs. You can see there's these little demarcations here. This is so that you can actually adjust the legs. This is where it was tightened inside of the box there, so you know that that is the minimum amount of shortness you need in order for this to fold together. But if I wanted to lower or raise it, I could actually use this as my guide and tighten the screw right up to those spots so that I could have a uniform height all the way around. I'm going to go ahead and tighten it right on the tallest setting right there. Now, the other thing that's pretty awesome about this is if you are using this on uneven ground, you can actually still tighten it really good so that it's going to be level no matter what the ground looks like. Now, to install the little side shelf, no major construction is required. There are 4 little screws right here and 4 little keyholes. So all you have to do is just position this in such a way that the screws fit in the hole, and then just slide down the keyhole nice and sturdy. Now, a little pop like that is going to help them all go on, but look at that. I can lean on it, it's nice and sturdy. But that is all it took to get this little stand stood up. Adjust the height of your barbecue and unfold the legs and adjust the height of your barbecue. Put your nice little side tray on. Dimension wise, when it's fully extended, it's 42 inches tall, 18 inches wide. And I want to point this out too. First of all, you've got the cool Blackstone name, so it looks really nice. And obviously I would be standing maybe on this side to do all my cooking. Let's show you a couple more features about this. So if I tip it this way for you to see, there are holes, and these are where the feet of your Blackstone are going to go to help secure this in place and make sure that it doesn't just slide off the stand. You spend the money on a barbecue like that, you want to make sure that you have it securely fastened to the stand when you're cooking on it, as well as the safety factor of having everything really stuck in one place real good. At the back here are these little pulls. When you pull this ring with the pins, what it does is it releases the legs. Remember when I opened them up, we heard that little snap noise? Well, when you pull on this, it releases the legs and allows them to fold down really nice and compact. And the great thing is when you fold everything down, the side tray comes off and it folds right inside just like we saw it come out of the box, and everything is compact and easy to move around. I am pretty happy with my purchase. It stands up to the quality that I've come to associate with Blackstone name. And I like that it will be a sturdy stand for my Blackstone, but I can fold it up nice and compact and stow it away in my RV, in the back of my truck, put it in my car. This is actually small enough that it'll fit in the back of my car if I need it to. This is really nicely put together, powder coated stainless steel, nice thoughtful design elements like the easy pull pins for collapsing it, like the adjustable legs so that I can either accommodate for height or I can accommodate for uneven ground. I love, it's classy looking, it's got the Blackstone name on there, and the removable side tray is going to make it really easy to keep my accessories, my condiments, whatever my extra ingredients are that I need, right nice and handy. And then, as I said before, everything's going to fold right down into a nice compact little package. If you're looking for a stand for your 17 to 22 inch Blackstone griddle, this one here is a great option. I think this is definitely going to be a family favorite at my house. What's up, everyone? Thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel. I really appreciate you taking the time to check out my product reviews. It means a lot. Now, if you want to get your hands on that really great product I just showed you, I've linked it for you in the description below. Make sure you don't miss any more fresh product reviews by clicking subscribe and turning on your notifications. That way you'll get notified every time I post fresh content. And if you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, because that way YouTube knows you want to see more of my content. By the way, don't forget to cannonball and do what you love.